Once again, another one of these, just different companies. It's another feeling like I felt last time when I got the last one, but this is one of my favorite parts to get on a bike. Guts Racing, shout out to them. You see it's for a Honda circa 1990. I like this little bag. 100% American made. Dang, I like the packaging. It's creative packaging. That's real creative. I like that. See what I got. I honestly, I couldn't remember what I got, and I had to look. I found an email that they sent me 2 days ago. This only took I have to see what date is. This is a custom seat. It only took like maybe 8 days. See, I like this. You got an option to keep this or not on the Guts Racing. They ask you, but I just think it looked good, especially with the colors I was going with. I didn't go for nothing too crazy, but I had to get a little crazy. What we got is, as you can see, the camel, Honda red, black around it, Chicago Bull, but with the twist with the camel, like. Had to get something different. We moving different. Of course, they come with stickers. Are these stickers? Oh, these is QR codes for instructions and stuff. Got that. Yeah. I like that. I don't know, it just feel good to get a custom seat cover. Last time, y'all remember, I had custom labels and everything, but this one feels kind of intense. Hey, them some, I didn't realize, it's grippy for real, like you're not going nowhere. And I love the ribs, like, damn, I just realized that's why I didn't like on my 450 that red seat cover. It didn't have the ribs. I just realized that was probably the main reason I didn't like that. Yeah, I gotta have the ribs, gotta have a gripper. That's just like an easy, free cheat code for Willys. Seat cover, man. Can't wait to get this joint on. I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah. Coming along. There you go. First stage, all we used was cheap wire wheel, flat wheel on the Dremel. Got a pack of them. Next step, we got some 80 grit buffing, Scotch Brite, whatever you want to call them. But see, basically smooth out all the lines and stuff. I didn't want it to come out too shiny, but it did. Maybe this will dull it out a little bit. Let's do it. it.